Hello friends, I'm Sujata and you're watching All Season Gardening. The topic I'm discussing today is 8 climbing plants for Indian balconies and gardens. In simple words, climbers here refer to the plants that grow upwards using a support. Climbers develop tendrils or sucker for twine themselves around their props. Although they spread naturally, their stems can be tied to lead them to extend towards a particular direction. Here is a list of climbers that write for Indian homes like yours. Bougainvillea, take about climbers. The Bougainvillea, the first plant genus that comes to my mind. It is a low-cure vine, commonly recognized by its flamboyant clusters of vividly hued flower like brackets. The actual tiny white flower nestled within. A healthy bougainvillea brackets of magenta, pink, red, orange, yellow, or white create a wonderful splash of color. What it needs, this ornamental plant requires full sun and well drained soil. Water it regularly, initially for the steady growth, but after that, make it as a good deep water occasionally. Do not overwater. It is tolerant to drought and salt, making it suitable for raising in hot, dry, and coastal climates too. Blue Morning Glory, also known as blue dawn flower or Koliawa. This evergreen vine featured striking blue purple trumpet shaped flowers, dark green velvety heart shaped leaves, and a slender twining stem. It produces fragile new flowers every day during late summer and autumn. What it needs? Morning glory needs exposure to full sun, well drained soil, and regular watering when in growth. Feed it, fertilize it that time too. It is best to shelter the plant from strong winds. Devil ivy. Devil ivy is commonly known as money plant or golden pothos in India. Heart-shaped leaves with yellow or white spectacles are the main characteristic of this evergreen clamor vine. It is a low-cure, fast-growing plant. What it needs? Bright, direct sunlight and low humidity do not suit this vine. A shaded or semi-shaded zone of the garden would suit it just right. Regular watering is needed in summer months and infrequently during winter. Star jasmine. The fragrance laden star jasmine or confidate jasmine is an evergreen climber, but it is not true jasmine. It wears shiny green foliage and white flowers on woody stems. The five petal flowers blossom abundantly during the late summer and spring. What it needs, although star jasmine is a hardy winter tolerant plant, it favors medium watering and drained soil. It can do well in full to partial sun conditions. Bengal clock vine. The Bengal clock vine has lovely trumpet shaped blue flowers borne in long clusters, dense foliage, and perennial growth. This native Indian plant, also known as Bengal trumpet or blue sky flower, has rope like stems which twine only clockwise, giving it its unusual home. What it needs? The Bengal cloak vine is a low maintenance evergreen plant. It grows best in moderate conditions, partially sunny, warm, gently moist weather. Sweet potato vine, a very distinct relative of the potato vine, is surprisingly from the blue morning glory family. It is a vigorously growing perennial plant species with beautiful dark green to lime green leaves and white flowers with purple throats. Its enlarged sweet scratchy root is edible sweet potato vegetable popularly cultivated in parts of South and East India. The ornamental variety is known as tuberous morning glory. What it needs, this vegetable producing vine requires moderate watering all through the year. It enjoys a well drained soil under full to partial sun exposure. Flame vine. The flame vine or golden shower clamor is fast growing woody clamor that blooms with countless orange red flowers during the winter and spring. The tip of each branch forms a cluster of 15 to 20 flowers, presenting a distinctive look to the vine plant. What it needs? Regular watering and full partial sun facilitates the healthy growth of this evergreen climber. Bleeding heart vine. The bleeding heart vine is a woody vine bearing ornamental bicolored flowers and bushy green leaves. The five lobed white sepals with little red flowers contrast with the green backdrop, making the climber picturesque and charming. The flowers blossom abundantly through the summer months. What it needs? The vine loves sunlight and thrives when watered regularly. If you like this type of content and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.